Hello everyone and welcome to a new video here. Today I'm gonna do the unboxing and review for one of the best docking station in the market right now, which is Minisopuru docking station. So it's 13 in 1. Guys, that's a lot of ports inside this docking station. Together we're gonna figure out how it works, and also as you can see here, it can connect up to triple display, like 3 displays at the same time. Multi-functions, it has a lot of ports and also anti-loss design. So together, let's do the unboxing. So once we open the box, we have here the main docking station itself. It's quite heavy, guys, and it's made of metal with a lot of ports, and we have like silicone or rubber pieces here to make the docking station stable on the disc if you are putting it somewhere, so it will not move easily. And we have double-sided ports. We have here some ports, and the other side also for the monitor and the display. So we will talk about this one later. So let's see what's inside the box also. So we have here the DC power adapter, as you can see. And here we have the Type-C to Type-C cable, and we have AutoG, like Type-C to Type-A USB. And for sure we have here the USB for some manual use, like the instruction inside. It will show you how to use the Minisopuru. And for sure we have here some card and documentation, which will explain to you also how to use it and how it works. So really, the docking station, guys, it feels so premium with this metal body, and also it has some holes here, I think, for the observing the heat. It looks so good and so premium and so stable if you keep it in the desk or in the table here. So it will be very sticky. I mean, it will not move easily, it will not slip. So guys, if we'll be talking about the ports here, as we see, the Minisopuru comes with a lot of ports. So we have here 2 USB-A 3.2 Gen 1 and 1 USB-C 3.2 Gen 1 as well, and this 3 ports are 5 GB per second data transfer, and we have also here 3.5 mm jack input, and also we have 2 USB-A 2.0 for data transfer, and also 7.5 watt charging. And on the other side we have here the DC input to make the docking station work. And we have also USB-C power delivery to charge your laptop with maximum 100 watts of charge. And we have the USB-C for the host device only. Plus we have the RJ45 Ethernet port. It supports up to 1000 megabytes per second. And for these display ports, we have here 2 HDMI, which it supports up to 4K with 60 Hz. And 2 display ports, which it support up to 4K 60 Hz as well. But we can use one of these display display 3 ports once a time. Like we can use either HDMI or else display port one in a time with these 2 display ports. So in total you have 4 ports, but only 3 displays can work in the same time. And in my case, I have here my laptop, which it doesn't have any HDMI ports, but with Minisopuru docking station I managed to connect 2 monitors in the same time using Type-C cable from my laptop to the docking station and 2 HDMI cables to the 2 different monitors at the same time, which works great with 4K resolution and 60 Hz of refresh rate. Not only that, You can also use the 4 USB-A at the same time. For example, you can connect your USB driver or mouse or even keyboard. Also, you can charge your laptop from the 100 watts power delivery ports. So that's amazing, guys. Plus also Minisopuru designed to work with the latest MacBook M1 and M2 chips. So the Minisopuru docking station is the best solution for you to expand your laptop capabilities. With an impressive 3 display support, it's an excellent addition to any productivity or gaming setup. Guys, you can check the link in the description below if you are interested. So that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Until I'll see you next time.